Here we go. Crampy's 10-11. Between the pipes. Yeah. Hockey box break. This is true, Vegas. This is very true. What happens when you bring a 10 to the expo? A riot, that's what happens. Alright, here we go. So good luck to you, sir. We start with base. We've got a Masked Man Emerald of Brian Elliott. We take this, we now take a moment away from the CNC dating advice to break a box. I would die laughing right now if we pulled one of the Women of the Nets cards in this box right now, because that would just be too fitting. We got a Future Stars autograph of Evan Mosher. Charlene Labonte at that. Base. Boom, Crampy. Boom. Not only do I get you an Optimus Rhyme, but I get you a case hit Optimus Rhyme. Inspired Masks, James Reimer. Case hit. He asked for Reimer, so I think I have lived up to my end of the arrangement. Base. We've got a Future Star auto of Jonas Enroth. Deep in the crease, Andre Pavlik, Chris Mason, Peter Menino, Edward Pasquale. Casey, after I'm done this box, I got a funny story for you about that one. Base. Boom. Well, this box turned out to be a hell of a box. Here we've got a game used... Oh, hold on. Game used emblem black out of 6. Mark Byzantine. Mark Byzantine, game used emblem black out of 6. Nice. Base. So still waiting on another game used. Guarding the blue and white net, Turk Broda. Base. And here it is. We've got a Golden Goalies jersey black, number 80 of Jonathan Bernier. 2 packs to go. Base. We've got a Masked Man Silver of Roberto Luongo to finish it off. So there we go.